Hey everybody. I promised videos for the rest of the demonstrations and I went into the lab and PTA they're having their finals. So you're not going to see me, but you're going to watch the videos that are provided by Cengage and I'm going to show you how to access those. And you're going to be responsible for watching all of these videos by Monday so that you can begin your skills. I'm going or finish the rest of those skills. I will obviously show you where to access all of your supplies when we get into the lab. And I'll just clarify probably a couple of things. But other than that, I want you to have watched and watched the videos and understand the steps. Pay particular attention to Hemoccult. I want you to make sure that you are telling your partner about the dietary restrictions. That's a really important part of that testing, so don't miss that. And remember that anytime you provide your patient instructions verbally, you always follow that up with written instructions. So I will have printouts for you to simulate that with your partner as well. Okay, so this is your home page on your course. Just go to modules. You are in week 6 right now. Open that up. Go to video library. Obviously, that's going to redirect you to Cengage, or to MindTap rather. So I'm getting redirected here. All right, here we go. Now I'm on this page right here. Go to video library. Go to clinical. Your instruction on Hemoccult testing is under gastrointestinal procedures. So there's one video. Under pediatric, you can find your infant child urine specimen video. Okay, so pediatric UBAG is on what's on your skill sheet. Under minor office surgery, you can find your dressing change video, your wound irrigation video, and your suture removal video. So that should wrap it up. Skin closure strips. I kind of demoed that for the most part during lab, but you can watch that video as well. They do instruct you to place the steri strips starting in the center and then on each end and then working your way in. That's fine. I know that I showed you a different way, but that's acceptable as well. So in any case, those are the remainder of your skills. Please make sure that you watch these so that, next week is week 7. Next week is all about finishing up your skills, getting all of your sign-offs done. We do have 2 days for you in week 8. So Monday and Tuesday will also be the remainder of skills sign-off, but those are also days for you to practice. Your skills final will be on Wednesday. I will get all of them done that day just because of the size of the class, we'll be able to do that. And it is on sterile technique. So just to give you a heads up if you want to start studying that now, but I really want to make sure that you are focused on wrapping up the remainder of your skills, getting those signed off, and having a little bit of time to practice your skills final. So sterile technique, you guys got it. It's just understanding what is sterile and what is not sterile, and I'm going to give you a scenario, and I'm going to give you instructions, and then you just need to follow through on that, doing what you already know to do. So please don't get in your head about it. It's far more straightforward than you probably have imagined in your brain. Anyway, shoot me a text if you have any questions. I hope everybody is safe from the fires. I think all of you are. Amy, I know you might be sweating it a little bit, but please text me if you need anything. 276 Have a great weekend, everybody.